Hey, it's me, Deja. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is an informal, formal video of me unboxing some $5 grab bags from Micheals. Yes, I know they're boxes, but I'm so excited to see what's in here, and they were only $5, $5, $5. If you want to see more content, or you just enjoy life and you're just scrolling through here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the good things. And here we go. Go for it. You guys, fun fact, so my face tells everything. Like, even if I don't want to let the world know how I'm really feeling, if you just look at my face, you gonna know. For real. You gonna know right that second. Also, if you like this instrumental, go check me out on SoundCloud. This is a part of my project called The Feels. I don't know, I just like making music randomly. Yeah, but, you know, back to this unboxing video. Box number 1. I didn't really like that box. Ooh, interesting. We have DIY ornaments, which is pretty cool because I like craft. About 2, 4, 5 of those. 4 of these magic paint books that I can give to my students. Then we have this beautiful 35-piece Ashland Christmas shatterproof ornament. Original price was $30. Not too bad. And then we have another box within a box within a box. Probably end up using these as Christmas boxes. Yeah. Well, that's all. So here are all the things that I got in my good old grab boxes for $5 at Micheals. I mean, it wasn't a bad deal. I'm just really not a winter holiday person. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.